Installing a new door may look simple, but many homeowners in Phoenixville quickly discover that even small mistakes can lead to big problems. From drafts and sticking doors to security risks and higher energy bills, improper installation can turn a smart upgrade into a costly frustration. Understanding the most common door installation mistakes, and how experienced Phoenixville professionals avoid them, can help you make confident decisions for your home. Incorrect measurements. One of the most frequent issues in door installation is inaccurate measuring. Doors that are even slightly off size can result in gaps, uneven alignment, or forced fits that damage the frame. How Phoenixville professionals avoid it. Experienced installers take precise measurements of the opening, frame depth, and wall structure before ordering or installing a door. They account for older homes common in Phoenixville, where openings may not be perfectly square, ensuring the door fits properly from the start. Ignoring door frame conditions. Installing a new door into a damaged, warped, or rotting frame is a recipe for future issues. Many DIY installations overlook hidden structural problems. How professionals handle it. Phoenixville door experts inspect the frame carefully before installation. If repairs or reinforcement are needed, they address them first, ensuring the new door has a solid, stable foundation that lasts. Poor alignment and leveling. A door that isn't level can swing open or closed on its own, rub against the frame, or fail to latch correctly. These issues often worsen over time. Professional advantage. Local installers use specialized tools to ensure the door is perfectly plumb and level. Proper shimming and alignment techniques prevent long-term operational problems and help the door open and close smoothly every time. Improper sealing and insulation. Gaps around the door allow air leaks, moisture intrusion, and even pests. Poor sealing reduces energy efficiency and comfort, especially during Pennsylvania's changing seasons. How Phoenixville professionals avoid it. Professionals use high-quality weather stripping, insulation foam, and sealants designed for the local climate. This ensures your door keeps out drafts, maintains indoor comfort, and helps lower energy costs year-round. Using the wrong hardware. Incorrect hinges, locks, or fasteners can compromise both performance and security. This is especially common when replacing doors without considering weight or material differences. The professional approach. Phoenixville door installers select hardware that matches the door type, weight, and intended use. Proper hardware ensures durability, smooth operation, and enhanced home security. Overlooking security considerations. The door may look great but still be vulnerable if it's not securely installed. Weak anchoring or improper locking mechanisms put your home at risk. How professionals protect your home. Local experts ensure doors are securely fastened to the frame and wall structure. They properly install deadbolts, strike plates, and reinforcement features to provide peace of mind for Phoenixville homeowners. Rushing the installation speed often leads to skipped steps and overlooked details. Many door problems come from installations that were done too quickly. Why professionals take their time. Phoenixville door specialists follow a step-by-step process, checking each phase of installation. Their attention to detail ensures long-lasting results and minimizes the need for future repairs. Why professional door installation matters in Phoenixville. Avoiding these common mistakes isn't just about convenience, it's about protecting your investment. Professional door installation improves energy efficiency, boosts curb appeal, enhances security, and ensures long-term performance. Phoenixville professionals bring local experience, technical skill, and a customer-first mindset to every project. By choosing experts who understand both the craft and the community, homeowners can enjoy doors that look great, function flawlessly, and stand the test of time.